Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion, itong official statement ni BP Inday Sara tungkol sa panibagong impeachment case na isasampa na naman sa kanya. Okay. Statement, sabi niya dito, December 8, 2025. The latest pronouncement by some members of the House of Representatives on a new impeachment complaint is not surprising. Its timing reveals a pattern that has become all too familiar. Not long ago, Senator Chis Escudero, Representative Toby Chanco, and several House members revealed that back in February 2024, signatures for my impeachment were being courted in exchange for budget allocations. Their statements have unmasked the truth that the impeachment complaint against me was never really driven by principle but by price. May bayad ba? Despite such revelations, no inquiry or investigation was conducted to hold anyone accountable for the billions of pesos that were squandered on political warfare when they should have been used to serve the Filipino people. Now, this constitutional mechanism is being dangled once again as a bargaining chip right before the 2026 national budget is passed. To those who continue to exploit the impeachment process, stop hiding behind the language of good governance. I have always stood ready to answer any allegation grounded in fact and truth. But I cannot remain silent while the impeachment process is being twisted into a budget-driven racket. Filipinos deserve better. Sukran, Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Republic of the Philippines. So, expected na talaga ito. Come February 6, 2026, mag-uunahan na naman sila sa pagsampa ng kaso. Pinakauna nang nagpahayag ay yung Makabayan Black. Tinyo, Ilago, Sara Ilago at Rene Co. Ayan. And I'm sure hindi magpapatalo itong akbayan ni na Senator Hontiveros at Representative Percy Sendanya and many others. Parang ulitin lang nila yung nangyari last year, but this time mas maingat na sila na hindi sila ma-unconstitutional ulit. Susundin na nila yung one bar rule at iba pa, but the same articles. Ano bang bagong ebidensya nila maliban lang sa mga dati nilang sinasabi? Parehas lang. Yung confidential funds na ang COA ang final say. Hanggang ngayon, walang conclusion, walang final say ang COA. 3 consecutive years, ang COA nagbigay ng highest observation o highest rating sa Office of the Vice President. So, yung notice of disallowance na napaka-kaunti, ilan yan, 70 million plus. Ikumpara mo, sa Office of the President, mayroong halos 500 million pesos na mga disallowance balance na pinapasauli ng COA kailang under appeal. So, 494 million to be exact. So, halos half billion. So, makikita mo talaga is wineponize na nila itong impeachment process. But that's part of Philippine politics. Yun nga, yung impeachment case laban kay late Chief Justice Renato Corona, ganon din yan. Dahil lang sa desisyon ng Supreme Court, yung Hacienda Luisita case, parang hindi nagustuhan ng mga Aquino family yung desisyon. Kaya yun, naging kawawa ang late Chief Justice Corona na convicted siya sa impeachment court but acquitted siya sa Sandigan Bayan, the same na mga paratang. So ano ngayon? Nalinis ang pangalan ng dating Chief Justice, samantalang ang mga senador na bumoto hanggang ngayon nandyan pa yung mga karamihan Senator Soto, nandyan sila. Sino pa ba? Mga... So, bring it on. Ako, it's just part of a political process na, and then, mananalo at mananalo pa rin si VP Sara. Dahil it's a numbers game. Siyam na senador ang kailangan lang ni VP Sara at yung magic 9 niya nandyan na lahat sa minority 9. As sure as the sun rises in the morning and sets in the afternoon, ganyan din yung siyam na yan boboto sa acquittal ni VP Sara plus iba from the majority. Nandyan yung magkapatid na Bilya, nandyan si Senator Subire, nandyan si sino pa? Senator Pia Cayetano, baka si Senator Ligarda. 5. So ano ito? It's an exercise of talunan. Yung kahit anong gawin nila, matatalo at matatalo sila sa Senado. Sigurado, papasayan sa Kamara. Dahil yan ang baluarte nila. Pagdating sa Senado, goodbye, impeachment. Kahit every year pa sila na magsampa ng kasong impeachment. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo itong tribo ng mas maayos na tirahan.